Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray color, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter Ecoboost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board with the side view camera, blind spot detection. We also have a nice hood deflector on the front with 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, 2 cup holders with a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs and 120 just right there. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are mostly powered, with this being the only adjustable part. We do have the nice black sport cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, parking brake, and lights just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 23.5 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free menu, phone and media, voice, volume, and phone. Looking at your main screen here, you do have My View, Trip and Fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking over here, you have your nice gear shift. With your speed adjuster, it's also collapsible, providing you with more space. Nice little storage cubby here, cup holders, storage with USB and USB-C. You have your drive modes, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist. You have your climate controls right here with dual climate, 12-volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there and in the glove compartment. You got storage above as well. A nice leather wrap center console with tons of storage below. And looking at your main screen here, you do have your auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, and traction. Looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities. You got a Wi-Fi hotspot, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, whatever you like. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is compatible with this vehicle. SiriusXM for settings, sound, all the general stuff, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE42553, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.